Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to walk you through downloading and installing Python and PyCharm. So we'll first download Python through python.org. We are on that website right now, so we'll go to downloads and just hover over it, and it opens up this window for us, and it detects that we are on a Mac OS operating system, and it says that we can download Python 3.8.5. So I've clicked that to download it, and once it finishes I will start it and I will walk you through the installation process. So in here I will start by clicking continue, 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 agree, install, and it asks me to enter my password or use my fingerprint, so I do so. And it starts writing the file to the disk. As you can see here, a simple window pops up that includes the IDLE file and the README file. And you can use the IDLE to write simple programs, but we're not going to do that now. But back here you see that it says that successfully installed Python 3.8.5. I will move the installation file to the trash. And next we will take a look on how to download and install PyCharm Community Edition. If you just type up PyCharm in Google, these will be the results that you will get. We need to click on the first one over here, that is through JetBrains. And it opens up this window to you, and it has a download button which you click on, and you have two options. You can download the professional option or the community option. Do not download the professional option if you are not going to be paying for it, because if you download it and try it, then at some point it will stop working and it will ask you for a product key. I recommend downloading the community option from here and waiting until it finishes and then starting its installation. Now that the download is finished, I'm going to open it up. All what you need to do now is to simply drag this PyCharm program into your applications folder. To start PyCharm, I'm going to open up Spotlight and type PyCharm and double click the first option that pops up for me. That's the program we want to open. Because this is our first time opening it, we'll get this nice message here that says, are you sure you want to open it? So I will say yes, open. And I will be first greeted with this privacy policy. And I don't want to send any statistics anywhere. And then you will get this window which asks you about some of your preferences on how PyCharm should use some of the keys or something like that. I will keep everything like this, and I will skip remaining and set defaults. You will now get a window that looks like that allows you to open any projects you might have or create a new project. So I'll just create a new project, and I can call this project my first Python project. And one important thing is to make sure that the base interpreter in here is pointed at the latest Python version that we just downloaded, the one that is 3.8, and then we'll click create, and it will take some time just to create the virtual environment and open up everything. Once it's ready, you see here it has a very simple Python program that has a function that takes a name and prints whatever name it's given. And in here we call this function and we give it PyCharm. So the output of this should be hi PyCharm. So we'll go to the play icon here that does run the program. We'll click on it and you will see that the output appears on your output window. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions or problems with Python or PyCharm, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section below.